The screen on the iPhone 6s seems to be identical to the iPhone 6's. We're talking a 4.7-inch affair with 750p resolution, which keeps it firmly in the Retina range that the firm debuted all the way back with the iPhone 4. It's hard to rate the display, as while it fails on resolution, quite spectacularly actually, phones a seventh the cost of the iPhone 6s offer 1080p screens. Samsung's cheaper phone has 4 times the resolution of the 6s, and Sony has, inexplicably, launched a 4K phone. It doesn't drop too badly on performance. iPhone 6s review. The iPhone 6s display is clear, bright, laminated to the glass and insanely colorful. The first time I saw it on the iPhone 6 I thought it was a fake picture stuck on top of a dummy unit, such was the clarity on offer. So to use the same thing on the iPhone 6s makes sense. After all, the lower pixel count means it can be thinner and the battery can last longer, thanks to having fewer pixels to drive. But there are some things missing. For instance, the contrast ratio, the difference between the brightest and darkest parts of the screen, is still poor, with the black areas looking a little gray. Samsung's Galaxy range predominantly uses OLED technology, which offers true blacks and high brightness and packs a much better visual punch, and would have suited the iPhone down to the ground. The sharpness in side-by-side tests is clearly lower too. The 326 pixels per inch is very low even compared to 401p of the iPhone 6s Plus, and most other models are over 500p to bring really clear displays. Given OLED technology is used in the Apple Watch, and admittedly it looks brilliant, it's a shame the same thing couldn't have been done with the iPhone 6s. It's important not to get too hung up on screen resolution in a phone. After all, if it's not serving a purpose, hey, Sony? Then it's just wasting battery. But the industry has moved on, and the higher pixel densities on offer are starting to really bring something to the table, with apps and general use looking pin sharp.